Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into adding type annotations to urllib3 issue 867 on GitHub. This will be a comprehensive tutorial covering the background, setup, the process of adding type hints, and testing them effectively. Background: why type annotations? Type annotations, or type hints, are a feature introduced in Python 3.5, PEP 484, that allows you to specify the expected data types of variables, function arguments, and function return values. They improve code readability, maintainability, and help catch type-related errors before runtime. Here's why they're valuable. Readability. It's easier to understand the purpose of a variable or function argument when you know its expected type. Maintainability. Type hints act as documentation, making it easier to modify and refactor code without introducing type errors. Error detection. Static type checkers like MYPY can analyze your code and find type errors that would otherwise only be discovered during runtime. IDE support. IDEs, integrated development environments, use type hints to provide better code completion, error highlighting, and refactoring suggestions. Issue 867 in urllib3. Issue 867 likely involved a specific part of the urllib3 codebase where type hints were either missing or incomplete. urllib3 is a complex library, so specific areas needing type hints could have been parameters to certain functions, attributes of classes, or return values of methods. 1. Setting up your development environment. First, you'll need to set up your environment to work on urllib3. This involves forking the repository. Go to the urllib3 repository on GitHub, https://github.com/urllib3/urllib3, https://github.com/urllib3/urllib3. Click the fork button in the top right corner to create a copy of the repository under your GitHub account. Cloning your fork. Creating a virtual environment, recommended. Installing dependencies. urllib3 uses Tox to manage its testing environment. Install Tox and then use it to set up your environment for testing. This will create a testing environment and install the necessary development dependencies. Installing MYPY. MYPY is the static type checker we'll use to verify our type hints. Creating a branch. Create a dedicated branch for your work. 2. Identifying the target area, issue 867. Let's assume issue 867 targeted the connection pool.py file, specifically the HTTP connection pool class's request method. This is just an example, you'll need to refer to the actual issue description for the correct file and code. Open urllib3/connectionpool.py in your editor. Let's say the original request method looks something like this. 3. Adding type annotations. Now, let's add type annotations to the request method. We'll need to determine the correct types for each parameter and the return value. Refer to the urllib3 documentation and the existing code to understand the expected types. Here's an example with annotations. Explanation of type hints. *str indicates a string. *int indicates an integer. *bool indicates a boolean. *float indicates a floating point number. *optional t indicates that the value can be of type t or none. It's equivalent to union t, none. Union t1, t2 indicates that the value can be of type t1, t2, or any of the types listed. Asterisk dict k, v, indicates a dictionary with keys of type k and values of type v. For example, dict str, int represents a dictionary with string keys and integer values. Asterisk any, indicates that the value can be of any type. Use this sparingly, as it defeats the purpose of type checking. It's better to be as specific as possible. Asterisk IO bytes, represents a file-like object that reads bytes. Asterisk HTTP response, we assume that urllib3 defines HTTP response, you might need to import it from the correct module. Asterisk -HTTP response, indicates that the function returns an HTTP response object. Important considerations when adding type hints asterisk. Asterisk typing module asterisk the typing module provides many useful type hints, like optional, union, list, dict, tuple, any, etc. Make sure to import the ones you need. Asterisk none versus optional asterisk if a parameter can be none, use optional type instead of just type. Asterisk specificity asterisk be as specific as possible with your type hints. Avoid using any unless absolutely necessary. For example, if a parameter is a list of integers, use list_int instead of list_any or just list. Asterisk use existing type definitions asterisk if urllib3 already has type definitions for its own classes, example retry, timeout, HTTP response, use those instead of creating your own. Import them from the appropriate modules. Asterisk documentation asterisk type hints are often a good place to add or improve documentation. Make sure the doc strings are accurate and up to date. Asterisk handle complex types carefully asterisk if a parameter can be multiple different types, example a string or a file-like object, use union to specify the possible types. 4. Running mypy. After adding type annotations, run mypy to check your code for type errors. Navigate to the root of the urllib3 repository in your terminal and run. Or you can use tox. mypy will analyze your code and report any type errors it finds. Address these errors by asterisk correcting the type hints if they're wrong. Asterisk modifying the code to match the type hints. Asterisk adding type ignores, type, ignore, only in cases where mypy is incorrect or you can't easily fix the issue. Document the reason for the type ignore in a comment. Example mypy output and how to fix it asterisk. Let's say mypy reports this error. This means that your request method might be returning none in some cases, but the type hint specifies that it should always return an HTTP response. To fix this, you could 1. Change the type hint asterisk if the method can return none, change the return type hint to -optional HTTP response. 2. Modify the code asterisk if the method should always return an HTTP response, change the code to ensure that it does, example by returning a default HTTP response object in the case where it would otherwise return none. 5. Testing your changes. It's crucial to run the existing urllib3 test suite to make sure you haven't introduced any regressions. Use tox to run the tests. If any tests fail, investigate the cause and fix your code accordingly. It's possible that adding type hints has revealed underlying type inconsistencies in the code that were not previously caught by the tests. 6. Committing and pushing your changes. Once you've added type annotations, fixed any mypy errors, and passed all the tests, commit your changes. 7. Creating a pull request. Finally, create a pull request, PR, on GitHub to submit your changes to the urllib3 repository. Asterisk go to your forked repository on GitHub. Asterisk click the Compare and Pull Request button. Asterisk write a clear and concise description of your changes in the PR. Reference the original issue 867. Asterisk submit the PR. Example code for different type scenarios. Here are more code examples illustrating different type hinting scenarios. 8. Addressing code style. urllib3 likely has a defined code style, example using pep8. Make sure your changes adhere to that style. You can use tools like flake8 or black to automatically format your code. The Tox environment might already have these set up, so you might see style errors during testing. Key takeaways Asterisk read the issue description carefully to understand the specific area that needs type annotations. Asterisk use the typing module to provide accurate and specific type hints. Asterisk run mypy to catch type errors. Asterisk run the urllib3 test suite to ensure you haven't introduced regressions. Asterisk follow urllib3's code style. Asterisk write a clear and concise pull request description. Asterisk be patient and responsive to feedback during the code review process. By following these steps, you can successfully add type annotations to urllib3 and contribute to the project's overall quality and maintainability. Good luck! Remember to replace the example file name and code with the actual information from issue 867.